Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you something I made to heat our pool. It gets cool here early in the fall and we're just trying to keep our pool open longer. So I came up with a pool heater. Um, it is right here. Now I had this old stove laying around and what I did is I soldered together 23 feet of 3/4 inch copper tubing. I have a submersible pump in one end of the pool. Bringing cold water in, and I have taps on both of these to adjust flow rate for warmer water. So anyway, cold water goes in here, fire is going, it pumps hot water out of here back into the pool at the opposite end. Now I'm bringing water in that's 60 degrees and it's coming out just over 100, and that's wide open. That's with no, I haven't turned on the flow any to get it hotter. So I had this old stove laying around, and what I did is take the copper tubing and I basically built a rad out of 3/4 inch copper tubing. Now one thing you gotta make sure is when you're making the rad, make sure it fits through the door. But I don't know if you can see in here, but the rad is mounted at the top of the wood stove, and when the fire's going, obviously it heats your copper pipe and heats the water, and warm water flows back out to the pool. It works really well. It's really efficient. With not a large fire going, I'm getting water that's coming out at 100 degrees. So if I really wanted to get it going, I'm sure I can get it a lot hotter than that. One thing to remember is don't run this without water going through it, or you'll melt your solder. As long as there's water flowing through the rad that's inside of here, you don't have to worry about melting your pipe or melting your solder. You can have hot a fire as you want. Anyway, it's managed to keep our pool. It's October and our pool's still open, about 83 degrees right now, and I haven't even burnt it in a couple days. So it heats fast. I was getting 5 degrees in about 3 hours. So the flow rate coming out of here is like a garden hose on wide open. So it doesn't take long to cycle our whole pool. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that. If you have an old stove laying around, get yourself some copper pipe if you have the area to do it, and make yourself a wood burning pool heater. Alright, thank you. Bye.